Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In this video, I'll be introducing you to SketchUp, a powerful and easy-to-use 3D modeling software that helps us bring our design ideas to life. What is SketchUp? SketchUp is one of the most popular computer-aided design tools used by architects, interior designers, engineers, and even hobbyists. What makes SketchUp stand out is its intuitive, user-friendly interface. You can start drawing and modeling in 3D almost immediately, even if you're a beginner. It's incredibly versatile too. You can use SketchUp to design architectural structures, interior layouts, furniture, landscaping projects, and even engineering or construction details. With the help of rendering plugins like V-Ray, we can take our 3D models to the next level, transforming them from simple models into realistic, lifelike images. These renderings help clients and designers visualize how a project will look in real life, making presentations more impactful and realistic. Why use SketchUp? SketchUp is ideal for creating accurate, detailed, and realistic visual representations of your designs. I use SketchUp for all my 3D modeling and planning. It's my go-to tool for bringing ideas to life before construction even begins. It's like taking a quick sketch on a napkin and turning it into a detailed 3D model of your design. In my next video, we'll explore SketchUp's interface and command shortcuts so you can navigate smoothly and work faster as you build your 3D models. Make sure to check the description below for the full SketchUp tutorial playlist, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder, for more step-by-step SketchUp guides and 3D modeling tips. Your feedback means a lot, so feel free to share your questions, tips, or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.